WinDEETS finds errors on your PC and guides you to the fix with AI-powered event log solutions. Did you know the event viewer shows far more than just the 4 Windows logs? There are nearly 100 separate application and service logs built into Windows. There wasn't a way to search through all those logs until now. WinDEETS displays events from all these logs in one place. You can search, sort, and filter events to see trends. And you can easily find your most common problem events. WinDEETS also includes real-time alerts for important events. And with one click, you can find out more about the event, what it means, and how to fix it. Powered by advanced AI and connected search, WinDEETS delivers deeper insights and faster answers. Find me at WinDEETS.com today with a free download. Bye for now.